So this article was in the New York Times about chimney sweeps this week. Pretty timely for us here in the South. Not that we're going to London to get our chimney sweep, but for those of you who haven't had their chimney inspected in a long time, especially those who have a wood-burning fireplace, be really careful. If we have a power outage and you feel very tempted to use your fireplace, I probably wouldn't. I don't know that I've ever met a chimney that didn't have $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 worth of work that needed to be done on it to keep it safe. CO poisoning, burning the house down, all the fun things. So if you don't keep up with your chimney maintenance, now's not the time to play with fire.